Another tough day in Africa.
Yeah, tough day in the office.
So, what do you say, Beach? You ready to chop some trails today?
Zane, what are you doing?
Gonna mix with some paint.
Oh, nice. Are you gonna mark some trails today?
Yeah, mark some trails. We've found this on YouTube somewhere. We did use it before. It does actually work quite effectively. But essentially, little garden spray hose, and then if you can eventually get paint open,
Now, with your precision tools.
like Rambo knife, and then you basically put whatever, maybe half, maybe 1/3, I'm not quite sure the ratios. Put some water in so it's nice and liquid, pump it up, and then you can just ride the trails and just go blow up some.
Just
nice
got to remember to clean.
Christ.
Oh,
Luckily,
no.
we weren't planning on using much of that.
The gist of today is more trail work as we've been doing for the last 2 or 3 weeks. The KT's fixed. If you guys checked out the last video where I fixed all the issues, so we're gonna have some good shredding clips today, hopefully, on some freshly cut and marked trails. And yeah, enjoy. Yep. Did you know Dr. Huberman suggests staring into the sun in the morning for about 5 minutes to wake your body and mind up?
Documentary, staring into the sun.
Science. Now I can't see anything. This is the section that we're going to be chopping open today, along with our other forest section. We've got all the kit on the bikes, saws, machetes, and yeah, that's the order of the day. Shred the bikes because we chop the section and then we ride that section. As I was saying, main goal for the day, chopping some trails. Got my straight edge machete over here, and over here I've got a nice Sithal saw blade to cut the thicker stuff. I've got the Boyson, the new Boyson 645, I think. I'll put it on the screen here. Reads in here, the correct reads for the WR200 that this motor is based on. I removed the intake spacer, a little bit less bottom end torque, but the response throughout feels pretty good. I need to adjust the clutch a little bit. I've got a little bit of a clutch slip. That might be down to there is free play on the clutch cable, so I think the little bit of clutch slip that I'm experiencing is due to the other oil and paraffin that I mixed in to flush the cases out. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the last video. So Zane, what Power Ranger have you summoned today?
It's called Blue Steel.
Blue Steel?
That's what I got on. That's as much as I know about the Power Rangers, is that they don't have that. Anyways, but definitely chopping some demons out.
We chopped another fresh section in the third woodland, the furthest one. It's like not even a quarter of the actual woodland, so there's still lots of work to be done, but we cut it and now we're trying to run the trail in, and now we're going to attempt to go a little bit quicker.
possibly the worst lap I've ever done.
But I mean, one lap, well, not one sprint, let's call it that, and both of the bike's fans are on, so that just shows how deep and gnarly the sand is.
The sand is just so thick. Like, I know you guys caught me catching dust after Rickard and just couldn't see anything, and the front wheel just disappeared and almost got stuck trying to get out.
Deep sand. Pretty good at the start, but the wheels quickly fell off. As soon as you like deviate from the main line, it's just like bubble.
Tragic, yeah. Tragic.
Watch out for the tree, bro.
Sorry, Papa. Sorry, Papa. Sorry, sweetheart. Come on.